Hello children, today we will be doing exercise 6.1 of lines and angles for class 9. Question number first is, in figure 6.13, lines AB and CD intersect at 2. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. We want to find out this angle BOE and reflex angle COE. This much. Okay. So what it is given? Angle AOC plus angle BOE is given to be 70 degree. Yes, this is given. And angle BOD equals 40 degree. This is also given. Yes, this one BOD. This one is given. Yes, and you can say angle BOD equal angle AOC equal to 40 degree. Why? That is vertically opposite angles. Yes, you know vertically opposite angles are equal. So, and as you know, AB and CD, they intersect at 2. When two lines intersect, then vertically opposite angles are equal. Then after this, you are given angle BOD. Now you can say from here, angle AOC plus angle BOE is your 70 degree. Put the value of angle AOC. So it will be 40 degree plus angle BOE equals 70 degree. Or you can say angle BOE is 70 degree minus 40 degree. So it is your 30 degree. Yes, so angle BOE is your 30 degree. And we want to find out reflex angle. Then your figure was like this. Then a line over here. And a line over here. And it was E, B, C, D, O, and this was your E. Now we were given angle BOD is given to be 40 degree and you were given angle AOC plus angle BOE is your 70 degree and we have calculated angle BOE, that is your 30 degree. Yes. Now you can say that is angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE equal to 180 degree. That is AOB is a straight line and they are forming angles are formed on the straight line. So it will be 180 degree. Angle AOC I told you that is angle AOC equals angle BOD, that is equivalent 40 degree. Yes, vertically opposite angle. So angle AOC is your 40 degree plus angle COE, this angle COE we want to find out. Yes, angle COE plus angle BOE, it is given to be 30 degree equals 180 degree. So it will be angle COE plus 70 degree equals 180 degree. Yes, so angle COE equals 180 degree minus 70 degree. So it is 110 degree, but we want to find out the reflex of angle COE. So reflex of angle COE is, your reflex of COE is 360 degree minus 110 degree. Why 360 degree? Because as you know, that is angle at the center is 360 degree. Okay, so at the center or at the point, you can say. Okay, so it will be 0, 5, 250 degree. So reflex angle COE is 250 degree. So from here you got angle BOE is your 30 degree and reflex angle COE is your 250 degree. Okay. So in this way you can solve it. Now question number second is, in figure 6.14, lines XY and MN intersect at O. And if angle POY is 90 degree and A is to B is 2:3, find C. Okay, now what they have given, angle POY is 90 degree. Okay, and A upon B, it is given to be 2/3, which implies A you can write as 2/3 times of B. Okay, and from here you can write, that is A plus B, that is your 90 degree, or you can write A is your 2/3B plus B is 90 degree, or take the LCM, it will be 2B plus 3B upon 3 is 90 degree, 5B, 5/3B is 90 degree, or you can say B is your 90 into 3 upon 5. So it will be 5 1 times, 5 8 times, so it will be 54 degree. So B is your 54 degree. Then you can say A will be your 2/3 times of B. So it is 2/3 multiplied by, this is your B is your 54 degree. So it will be 3 1 times and 3 8 times. So it is your 36 degree. Okay. Now you got A and B. Now we want to find out C. First draw the diagram. So this was your P, M, N, this was your X, and this was your Y. So this is angle A, B, and this is your C. Now we have calculated A and B. Yes, A come out to be 36 degree and B was your 54 degree. Yes, now we want to find out angle C. Now you know C is your, here you can say this angle C equals this angle A plus 90 degree. Why? This is your 90 degree. Vertically opposite angles. As XY and MN intersect at O. Okay, so that is C is your, A is your 36 degree plus 90 degree. A is given, we have solved. So it will be 126 degree. So you got A is your 36 degree B is your 54 degree, and C is your 126 degree. Okay, so in this way you can solve it. Question number 3 is, in figure 6.15, angle PQR equals PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS equals angle PRT. Okay, now what it is given? Angle PQR equals angle PRQ. This is your given. Okay, and we want to prove, this was your given, and to prove is your angle PQS equals angle PRT. Okay. Now, how you will proceed? That is, you can say angle PQS plus angle PQR equals 180 degree. Yes, you can say it to be 180 degree. Why? That is linear pair. Okay. Take this to be equation 1, and from here you can write angle PRQ plus PRT is 180 degree. Again linear pair. This is your equation 2. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, you can write angle PQS plus angle PQR is equivalent angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Yes, and it is given. You have seen angle PQR equals angle PRQ. This is your given. So these two are equal, PQR and PRQ. So you can say angle PQS equals angle PRT. So in this way, you can solve it. Thank you. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy learning with Bhavna.